everyone, I'm Cathy, a Clumsy Soaper. Soap making is my creative outlet, and this channel is all about soap making. Today, I would like to share with you on how to embed flowers and herbs in your soap. Without further ado, let's get started. For this mini project, I went to the flower shop and looked for dried flowers. So here are the dried flower bouquet from the shop. We will need dried flowers or herbs if you want. Then we also need transparent soap base and fragrance. First, we need to sort the flowers. Because I have two bouquets here, I just actually bought one, and the small one, mini one, was given away for free by Auntie because I always buy jasmine garland from her. I have here the transparent soap base. This is homemade. I made this on my own, and I already placed the link in the description box below. The difference between the soap in the video compared to this recipe is that instead of using sorbitol, I replaced sorbitol with sugar. So as you can see, the color of the transparent soap is a bit on the yellowish side. This transparent soap contains propylene glycol, so it will make it remeltable. First, we need to cut into smaller pieces, and let's put it inside the microwave. I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of blue color here, and the purpose of that is to neutralize the yellow color so that it will be clearer and the yellowish color will tone down a bit. Then I've decided to use jasmine fragrance oil. This is not a sponsored post, and I am not in any way connected with the name of the brand or company of the essential oil that I've shown here. I'm just showing you the products that I have here, and I just bought it online. This product is food grade and skin safe. That's why I'm using it. After melting the soap base, I poured a portion of that in my heart soap mold. I decided to use a heart soap mold today. And then you need to select the flowers. You need to choose the flowers depending on the design. It doesn't really matter, but you have to make sure that it should fit the soap mold. The secret in embedding flowers or any flower in your soap is to use dried flowers. I know that some of you tried putting flowers in your soap, but then the problem is that when you use fresh flowers, it will look nice for a couple of days, but after a few days, the flower will wither and it will dry, and of course, if it's dried, it will look ugly. So my little secret is to go to the flower shop and ask the seller there and ask Auntie because that is their expertise, and so she knows which flower will actually look nice when it's dry. For me, I just went there and she showed me her collection of dried flower bouquets and I just chose from there. There are flowers that are very delicate and brittle when it is dry. So she said, if I want to embed, don't embed the rose. Or if I really want to use rose and to keep it in shape, I have to be very careful. But I told her I won't be needing rose, but it's inside the bouquet already, so I just took it as it is. As you can see, I used a chopstick to hold the flowers and to put it in place. Then I sprayed it with alcohol and poured melted soap on top of it. And there's a tendency for the flowers to move a bit. When you pour, you have to be very careful. For the question of the day, if you know the name of the flowers that I've used today, please let me know by writing it down in the comment section below. After a few hours, the soap is ready, and let's unmold the soap. We have here the first one. I really like the outcome of this soap, and we have so many options. Embedding is just one option if you want to use flowers and herbs in your soap. Of course, we can always infuse the flowers and herbs. As you can see, I have here the flowers that I've used here. It will keep its color because I embedded it when it is already dry. So that's the worst color that it can get. That's the secret behind, because I know that some of you have tried embedding flowers before, but you use fresh flowers. That wouldn't work and it will turn ugly. I hope that you would consider subscribing into my channel for a weekly soap making video, DIY tutorials, and a lot more. Hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I release a new content here in my channel. Just like you, soap making is my passion, and I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. Thank you so much, soap sisters and bubble brothers. God bless!